entering the Victoria Zoo on our day with the children.
Wave. Hi, wave at the camera.
Wave.
Say hi.
Hey. All right. Yeah, let's go out here and look at the pretty... Ooh, look at the pretty bird. Look at that. She's going to get down there to it. You better watch her.
Look at Belly. Leaping. Bird, that's right.
Do you see the big cats back over there? Hi, do you see the big cats over here?
No.
Look at the big cats. Looky there. Look at the big cat back there. Can you see that big cat? Huh?
Me too.
Can you see the big cats? Aren't they pretty? Yeah.
Oh.
Mel, come over on this side. Mel, over here.
Come over here, ladies. Here, Bill. Go, Mel. Get down. What is that? Here. Go look at him. Doggy, come on over here. Come over here.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. She's fascinated by the animals.
Where's the anteater? What do you think about him, Ty?
What do you think about that, Mel? He's pretty, isn't he?
What about his nose, Melody? What do you think about his nose? Turn around and tell Gigi.
What does he do with that big nose? Is that how he gets his food? Yeah, he gets down in anthills, and that's how he gets ants. He uses a big... Buck.
We're at the zoo.
I caught my duck. I caught my duck.
Yeah, but they're chickens. They're Japanese chickens. Aren't they pretty?
What did I say? We saw mates.
Chick, 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 chick. There you go. Buck. Ooh. Yeah, what is that?
Looking at a goat right now.
That's a goat?
Yeah, we saw Annie a while ago. That's a pig.
Ooh, can you say goat?
Here goes, so I can get her some more.
I can say goat.
Yeah, I know. We're going to watch Mel feed the goats. Mama's getting some food.
Kai, come here. Kai, go over there by Endeavor. She's the kid. Make sure you don't lose it. Hold it. Come over here, feed him. Kai, you want some? Give it to the goats. Give it to him. Aww. Here you go, Kai. Put your hand out. Here, Melody. Give it to him. Okay, he wants it. Good job, Kai. Help me. Can you help me hold my hand up? Help me.
There you go. That a girl.
I want some more.
Get on the tree.
I want to get on the
Okay, feed it to this goat, Kai. He'll eat it. You see those silly goats? She's trying to feed him, okay?
That's the sister one.
I don't know whether or not you can hear this, but this turtle's been having a good time.
Look, he don't want to give it up either.
And he's
Come on, baby, just a little longer.
a chasing her to get a little bit more.
Look how fast he's moving. Oh my goodness.
He says, I'm not through yet.
And there's a monkey.
Yeah. a lot of monkeys over there.
Oink, oink. If I take the lens off, it would show that you could see what I'm trying to shoot. Yay! Yeah, is the zebra looking at him?
Now let's go, baby. Come on, let's look at it. Kai, you see those monkeys? Oh, he's singing good.
Okay, girls.
Zoo.
Did we have a pretty good time at the zoo?
Yay.
Melody, did you enjoy the zoo?
Yes, ma'am.
A lot of good animals, right? Right. Kai, how did you like it?
And we loved it.
Huh? Did you like the monkeys?
Me too.
Yes.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Huh? Okay, let's go get a treat. How about that? You want a treat, Mel?